Yeah, ones and ones. Welcome to Drone TV and Lifestyle. Yes, man. They up on work, you know. They up on the late shift. Yes, man. They look, you know. This kind of breezy, cold weather the pound, you know. From morning. So they up on the late shift. So, you have one people have the June for almost a year now. And realize there's some dirty spot there on it. So by angling, by opening it and opening it each time I flight. No say it get dirty. So I decide say I'll get a clean in the night. And I'm gonna make a video about it and show you what I want. So stay tuned, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Joan TV and Lifestyle. That is it. I just hear some fireworks kick off, you know. People fireworks are gone, you know. Try out with it. Normal night, you know. Reggae night. Yeah, man, that is it, man. That's how them do it, you know. That is it. Yeah, people. June, me say me will clean up and me hear fireworks are going on. So I come catch some of it, you know. Yes, man. Normal night, reggae night, people are try all fireworks on display. I like that, people. Yeah, man. That is it, you know. Yeah, so get back to the cleaning the drone. I see when I drop the video, I'm not edit it out, you know. Yeah, same way. Clean up the drone, you know. Yeah, people. Hands on wise. Doing TV, you know. I feel right. Some tissue, alcohol, this. So, what I go on now is each time flying my phone him out, I see an uninterested place that is dirty. You notice some dirt. But the camera will show, you know, it's the dirty, you know, dirt, you can see, dirt. So, get I go clean up for you first time, you know. All of them video there, you know, we are seeing us. Yeah, man. Just like Jamaicans. So, see? They've not hear me say that. watch it, people. Intelligent guy watch me. So, God, good people. They are on work, see how you see it. That's how it is. You know, the virus don't kick off. It's just that early in the you know, go up. See, like go up, that's something I would miss. And I wish you run after. You know, I come there, I mean, yes, I'm here, kick off. Run, you don't catch that good video. See, you know, yeah, please, you know, look over there now. Look for a KD there. But, imagine all them high-tech on there. Like, a lot of colors, you know. Love it. Look off the place in your look now, you're in yeah, machine nice, but that will work. You on TV. Really like that. You know, join it out. Move on. Underneath, you know? Put me on the background noise. There we go. Quite now, run. Too long enough, people. Gone fast, you know, you can see a little man all up. Yes, clean. Oh, what do I wipe long enough? From the mountains to the sea, here are sweet harmonies. Together we rise strong, love like sunshine breezes. أنا أفتكر مش دعوة دي. Yeah, daytime clean. Look on the record people and just clean up. It's alright. Make a video. Yeah. I mean, I'm around to YouTube, you know. So I'm doing me. So I'm tubing. Skirt, yeah. Okay. By the way, that can't fly now. That is it, John TV, lifestyle. Like, share, and subscribe. That is it. That will work. Yes, we want away. Heart I love, yeah? That work.